farm sat empty for 3 years, and we just decided either we're going to use what we have or we're going to sell it.
This is very unique in the Delmarva region as far as having birds free range. It's unheard of.
Good morning. We used to come in and have to pick up dead chickens every single day. What we're doing now, putting way less chickens on the land, that is a boost for the environment. But the industrial model, it's not a sustainable business. They're saying that the pasture-raised eggs are much better, lower in cholesterol, higher in the omega-3s, and there is no animal byproducts in their feed, no arsenic, no antibiotics. Now consumers want different choices. They're paying more attention to where their food comes from. The demand for locally raised foods has grown tremendously. The genetics are totally different. These chickens here, they're just so lively. They remind me of little kids. It's just a normal way a chicken lives. It is what it is, but I was not used to it at all. They eat bugs, they eat grass, they eat feed, anything.
Come on, girls.
A lot of people call it going backwards in farming. We're going back to our grandparents' time. I call it going back to the future because I see a future here, and I like the way that it is very much. Come on, girls.